Hey, it's Leanne and Jeff, INSPIRADA TV. We are going to take a look at this super adorable two-story.
It's 3228 Mist Effect. This will be the third one that we've done on the street. That sign right down there. We did that one. Amazing house with a loft that is unbelievable. I'll put that video up next. And we did this one before that I think closed in the last 60 days. But let's step into this one. So I like this maple floor. You know,
Yeah.
it's looking redder on the camera than it is in person.
Yeah.
It feels a little more muted to me with my bare naked eyes. Okay. So half bath here, right by the entry, really fancy.
I really like the entry into this home. It's
I do too.
super nice.
Especially because, you know, the staircase is kind of tucked. Give you a
Yeah.
place for a bench.
Yeah.
You always see those TikToks where people open that up and make like a little reading room or something.
Yeah, that's super cute. And then people aren't coming directly into your
Right.
living space, you know? That's
Yeah.
awesome. I really like this floor plan.
I do too. So nice sized kitchen, 9-foot ceilings down, which I really like. We videoed one last week that had 8-foot ceilings, and it really killed the vibe of the house. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't get that.
Yeah, it made a huge difference.
It really
I didn't
did.
expect the difference to be so noticeable, but it was.
Ooh, really good looking double ovens. Cooktop.
Backsplash.
So granite countertops, maple cabinets in here with
This
rollouts.
Was built in 2010.
So yeah, so these would have been upgraded cabinets with the crown molding and the molding down below. That's a cool light fixture.
Yeah, if I can figure out where the light switch is, I'll turn it on.
So laundry here, right off the kitchen. I don't know if this is doubling as the pantry.
I don't. Oh, let me look and see what this is. This is probably a coat closet.
Because there's a coat closet there. Oh, so
No,
this is a great pantry.
Could be a pantry in here.
Oh, there's a house on the market on
It's really
Solarino right now, and they redid the pantry. It's the 2388 square foot plan, which is like our listing on Timarasso, but they did lowers with countertops and uppers. And this pantry is amazing. You know what? I'm going to drop a picture of that pantry in this, part.
No, most people don't think of doing something like that with the pantry, but you can make your pantry super awesome.
Yeah. With your mixer and
This is a giant, I guess is the dining room.
Yeah.
But it's really big.
It is. You know, someone could maybe double it as a family room instead if you wanted, because there is room to stick.
Sure. Or if you have little ones.
A rectangular dining table here.
Yeah. If you have little ones, that would make an amazing play area.
Mm-hmm. It's so tucked away.
Yeah. And yet, right here in the living space. So
we'll just jump out to the garage. We normally don't on our short tours, but so high ceilings, water softener, water heater. Okay, so let us jump out to the backyard. What year was this?
2010.
2010.
Got some covered patio and some open patio. Oh, super private.
Yeah, so it's got
mature landscaping.
I always call them the rich people trees, but they're if you're rich, this is what you have in California. All right, so a nice built-in covered patio. And the cool thing is you are so close to Solista Park.
Whoop.
Big dog. This is a really wild ceiling fan too.
Yeah.
All right,
Crazy.
So let's jump upstairs. We're out in Inspirada today because we got a home inspection. We're going to head over there after this. And of course, this is where I always ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. We've got more than 600 videos up, all Inspirada centric. Leanne and I are out here every week doing these, so please, for the love of...
I know.
Okay.
I really like the stairwell.
I do too.
The wood is beautiful. So many times people just do white, and I really like the tone of this.
Yes, the maple's really pretty.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll jump into these. So it's 3 bedrooms, right? With the loft?
It is 3 bedrooms, yes, with the loft.
So, hall, bath, vinyl flooring. I imagine someone's going to want to come in here and change out the carpet and the floor.
Yeah. And this is priced at $549,999. So $550 will get you in.
And then this is bedroom 3. We'll hit the primary after this. So, you know, Leanne and I are looking at properties out here for ourselves, and I have found myself coming to these videos of some of the homes that we found, and I hope that you are finding these as useful as we are when we're...
This is huge.
This is a big primary.
This is huge.
Really nice.
Great flooring, too.
Yeah, really pretty. Real wood.
Yeah. In great condition.
So I already know what Leanne's thinking. But you know what? There's enough room to add a wall here if you wanted to close off the water closet. Mm-hmm. So shower.
Built-ins in the closet.
Like this probably had the maybe a linen closet option or something. But yeah, nice built-ins in the closet, and it's rather large.
Yeah.
These are nice.
Yeah, this is a great closet. Awesome.
And dual sinks.
Dual sinks.
And as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesinInspirada.com. We are out here every week doing these tours. So please like and subscribe. If you want to see this home or any other, just reach out to us. We're always available, and we appreciate you watching. Remember, our website, homesinInspirada.com, has every listing from every brokerage. No need to look on multiple sites. Thanks.